3 such amazing gadgets for your bicycle that even Mr. Donald Trump will be embarrassed to see them. First, if you're a university student, like the video. And if you're a school student, like and subscribe to the channel as well. Number 1. This is an umbrella phone stand. It looks like an umbrella. Attach it to your bicycle and place your phone on it. It will protect your phone from rain. It looks absolutely awesome. Number 2. This is the world's most dangerous fingerprint cycle lock bro. Just fix it once, touch your finger and lock. Number 3. Now your bike stares at thieves itself. Attach these angry eyes, no one will dare touch it. The funniest guard ever.